凌亂。凌亂是個形容詞，用來描述事物雜亂無章，沒有秩序或條理的狀態。
It translates to English as messy, disheveled, disorderly, or in disarray. It describes something untidy, chaotic, or lacking order, like a cluttered room or unkempt hair.
她的頭髮凌亂地披在肩上。
Her hair was disheveled over her shoulders.
會議室裏的文件散落一地，顯得十分凌亂。
Documents were scattered all over the conference room, making it look very messy.